live round here? Honestly, this is the best wild camping video ever. Little mid was supposed to come. Bet he's bottled it because he don't like rain. God, you can't wait for sunshine all the time, our kid. Really can't. But I did have a plan. The plan has changed slightly, but we're still going to go out. I've got loads of gear to test, new gear, so that'll be really interesting. So yes, the best wild camp. Honestly, I can't believe it. Oh God, you're in for a treat. You are in for a treat. Farmer Giles doing something with this field there. Don't know what they're doing. But yes, I'll tell you why this is the best wild camping video ever. I've always camped in Dales, down in Peak District, been up to lakes, but this is going to be my first ever woodland camp. I'm a little bit nervous, but you're in for a treat. Now, do we play a chat music section? I don't know. Not sure people like those little sections and whether I should keep it in or not, but we don't know. I know, you guys can vote. If you want me to keep them in, bit of scenery, bit of music, let me know, and if not, I'll scrap them. It is raining. Our kid will be melting by now. Fair weather camper that he is. I've had to do that 3 times for your benefit, but it's only because this is going to be the best wild camping video ever.
Set off early, sky looking grey, boots on the path, heading on my way. Had it all planned, thought this was the one, a quiet little spot till the day was done. Cross that river, climb that stile, walked to running wild for a while. Thought to myself, this feels just right, could be a perfect little camp tonight. But it don't always go the way you plan. Sometimes you just turn back again. Still out, pack up, head back out, that's what it's all about. Trail, chasing that still, chasing that still. Sat in the rain with the brew in hand, watching the clouds roll over the land. Nothing went wrong, just didn't feel right.
So I've been walking for about an hour now. Came through a little village as we were cutting down into this woodland. Our kid sent me a text this morning. Are you still going camping? I went, yep. He replied, be careful, 60-mile-an-hour gusts. It's blowing me over, it's blowing me over. It really is. Oh, sometimes you can look at that weather forecast and it can really put you off. It really can, and it probably, if it had been worse than this, I probably wouldn't have been enjoying it as much, but I'm out, I'm exercising, and I'm getting some steps in. Get rid of that weight that's slowly creeping back on me, especially now that I've started a new job where I'm not as active. We've got about another half an hour to go. If the rain stays off, I'll be able to just sit and chill out before I put the tent up, the new tent. Yeah, This is a bit of a steep hill, really digging the heels in. Whoa! But there's naught to stop you from going out and trying to have a look at where you could pitch. You know, the rain is not gonna melt you, is it really? Especially if you've got the right gear. I just re-waterproofed my coat on Monday just to give it that little bit extra edge, because I thought it was going to be worse than this, but it's not. But I do have to keep holding on to my hat, because them 60 mile an hour gusts are going to take it away. Anyway, let's go. We've arrived. Look at this little meadow, huh? Look at this for the best wild camping video ever. I'm just about to feed Walter. Good boy, yes. Yeah, not a bad little spot this. Sheltered from them really high winds and that rain that we're due. But yeah, it's a bit earlier to set up the new tent, so I am going to have to leave it a little while, because I really don't know this area all too well, so I don't know sort of put the tent up and have any walkers coming by, but we'll set it up in a bit. I'm probably going to have something to eat myself. A bit hungry after that walk in. Sausage butties on a bread cake. Nah, we won't go there, we won't go there. Yeah, so keep tuned for the tent reveal. The rain's come. It's still a little bit too early though to set the tent up, I think. So we're just sheltering. Me and Walt was just sheltering. He's a good boy. Under this holly tree. But it's testing out the waterproof jacket. I suppose if you're walking in it, you're going to get wet, aren't you? But it is supposed to stop raining in the next 10 minutes. But it has just come down quite heavy. Just don't want to risk putting the tent up. Told you this is going to be the best wild camping video ever. Yeah, if I were walking in it, I'd be just as wet, so I'd rather it stop and then I can set tent up in dry. Not say dry, but it's not raining. Walt's not bothered. I was like I'm squat behind a bush for a shot. Do you live round here?
Yeah, it's about half an hour away.
Is it? Well, I'm training for Cumbria Way, have you heard of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was just going to try to put a tent up here tonight. Think I get away with it?
Oh yeah, it should be fine.
Alright, nice one mate, sound. Just been on about 12-mile walk today, that's
Sleep well.
Cheers mate, ta. Have you just seen or heard someone just walked past me with a dog. He did say that I'd be fine camping here, but do you know what, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it, to be honest. The new mat and the new tent reveal will have to wait till next time, but yeah, suppose you've just got to bail sometimes. I'm gutted really, because I did want to go up into Yorkshire Dales today, but yeah. Anyway, you can only try, can't you? You can only try, and he knows I'm here now, and I don't know. He might tell someone and what have you. Then he did say I'd be fine camping here, but don't really want to do it if he knows. Anyway, you live and learn. Until next time. You know, it's my first bail, so it's not too bad. Walter don't look particularly happy. I'll see you on the next one.